friends, this is Excel Guru and this query asked by Kalpesh, that is query to find project status as per dates. There are 4 conditions, totally 4 conditions, so you have to find that one. And now we are going to solve that query. Okay friends, here is the solution for that. So first of all, I will explain you what it is. Okay, I'll zoom a little bit to view properly. Okay, right. Okay, now I'll explain you each and everything. So what the query is, if the date is less than this, it should come before time, and the dates, both dates are same, then on time. If the date is greater than this, then delayed, and if the date is not over here, it may be a blank, so it should be a pending. Okay, these are the 4 conditions, and we are going to solve it by using nested ifs. Okay, nested ifs. Okay, now first of all we will pick it out the blank. If is blank, it's a relative reference, for that reason I am not working anywhere. If is blank, then pending. Okay, first thing is over. Now if false, here is the condition is false. If true, if it is a blank, it will show you pending. If at all it is not a blank, so what we have to do, if this less than or greater than, sorry, is equal to before time, I will hardcode this by pressing F9. Okay, comma, if this equal to this. Okay, wait a minute guys, I'm getting a call. Okay, sorry for that guys. If this both are equal, then comma on time, value to F9. If at all that is not also there, then if C3 is greater than this, F9, sorry, then delayed. Okay, F9. Okay, close parenthesis, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Let's check whether it is working or not. Close the parenthesis if you are using nested if. Observe guys, if you are B3, C3, B3, B is not B5, it is B3 only. Okay, that's a relative reference. If you are using nested ifs, observe guys, the color of the parenthesis, that is black color. The first starts with black. It may be a rainbow colors, but starts with black and end should be a black. Now I press enter. Let's check whether it is working or not. Right guys, before time, on time, delayed, pending. Okay, in another method, simply use VLOOKUP guys. VLOOKUP already mentioned over there, some like this. Okay, root of VLOOKUP, it will come. I will show you how it will come. VLOOKUP of this comma this F4 comma 2, close parenthesis, approximate match. Okay, you get error like this, then simply use if error. To find any error, then pending. Okay, if you have any doubts, ask me guys. Thank you guys, thanks for your support. Have a nice day. watching. Please like, share with your friends and subscribe. If you subscribe, whenever I upload a new video, you'll get a notification in your mail